In this video, I'll show you how to find Clipboard on Samsung keyboard. So this feature is actually help you to find out the history of the copied text from your phone. So now to access to the Clipboard on your Samsung keyboard, first thing first, you just need to open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down to the general management. You just need to tap on general management here and then tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and inside this one you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the option keyboard toolbar. You just need to enable this feature. Now once you're done, you just need to get back from here and open up the keyboard first. So let's open up the keyboard here and type anything, and let's select the text from here, and I'm going to copy the text. And once you copy the text, you'll get to see the copy to the clipboard. Now to access to the clipboard, tap on this three-dot line at the top of your keyboard here, or you can get back and he'll get to see the clip option here. You just need to tap on this and he'll get to see all your copied clipboard previously on your device. This is how you actually can find out the clipboard on Samsung keyboard. Now you can actually tap on this and you can review the copied text from here, and this is how you actually can do this process. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.